I'll never get tired of saying that Midjourney is the best neural network that creates amazing art in absolutely any style. Today I'll see the top 5 such arts. Brown and grey shades, lush clouds that merge with the horizon, and in the middle of the art there are 2 huge buildings, very impressive. Convey the atmosphere somehow or antiquity of Greece. Only 2 colors, black and white, and they perfectly describe the emotions you can feel when looking at this art. 2 people standing in the middle of a burned forest, surrounded by trees. Impressive. This picture reminded me of the game Assassin for some reason. Maybe because of the white cloak the man is wearing, or maybe because of the dense dark forest that is only lit by moonlight. I really like that way AI conveys the placement of the light. Does the word minimalism mean anything to you? That's exactly the word to describe this art. No unnecessary objects, a knight holding 2 swords and the wasteland behind him. Beautiful. Have you really gotten into a fairy tale? This is a fairy festival taking place in a concert hall. Hundreds of lights, shades of purple, it all sends us straight to their ball. I'll never cease to be amazed. These were the top 5 artworks from Midjourney. If you want more content like this, then subscribe and leave likes.